Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your password to your Fortnite account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to epicgames.com. As you go to epicgames.com, make sure that you're already logged into your account. If you're already logged in, you can see that on the upper right hand side there are three horizontal lines. And when you tap on it, you will be able to see that on the lower section, your account name will be displayed. So tap on the account name and then select account. As you select account, you will now be directed towards a page that will show you all of your account information. That is the general information related to your account, which means that you've landed on the account settings. So besides account settings, you can see a back button. Tap on the back button. Now here you will see an option that says password and security. So tap on password and security, and as soon as you do that, you will be able to change your password by first of all entering your current password. So here I'm just going to enter my current password and then enter the new password that you want to set for your account. So I'm also going to enter the new password, and after doing that you also have to retype the new password. So do as it is required and then tap on save changes. After you tap on save changes, it says here that your password has been successfully changed. So this is how easily you can change your Fortnite password. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, to share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around next time.